In the heart of Lahore, a young man rose carrying the mission of his late father, Allama Khadim Hussain Rizvi. His name, Allama Saad Rizvi, a name that for many symbolizes courage, faith, and an unshakable love for the Prophet ﷺ. But behind the public image, there's a story not everyone knows of sacrifice, challenges, and an unforgettable event that changed everything. Born on September 8, 1994, Saad Hussain Rizvi grew up in an environment filled with Islamic knowledge and devotion. From an early age, he studied classical Islamic sciences, tafsir, hadith, fiqh, under the guidance of scholars from Jamia Nizamiya Rizviya, Lahore. Unlike many young people of his time, Saad Rizvi never chased worldly fame or luxury. He chose the path of his father, the path of Namus-e Risalat, honor of the Prophet ﷺ. After the sad demise of Allama Khadim Hussain Rizvi in November 2020, many wondered if anyone could fill that void. But the nation soon saw a reflection of his father's determination in Saad Hussain Rizvi. With calmness in his tone and fire in his words, he became a symbol of continuity, a young leader determined to protect the honor of the Prophet ﷺ at all costs. He emphasized peaceful protest, unity among Muslims, and holding firm to one's faith even when the price was high. Then came 9th October 2021, a day that shook his followers. During a time of tension between the TLP and the government, Saad Hussain Rizvi was suddenly arrested, sparking a wave of protest across Pakistan. His followers saw it as not a political arrest, but as a trial of faith. What few know is that even during his imprisonment, Saad Rizvi remained calm and steadfast. He refused to bow down, reminding his followers through his silence that truth always prevails, no matter how long it takes. Fast forward to October 2025, another storm swept across Pakistan. The Labbaik Ya Aqsa Million March began in Lahore. In solidarity with the people of Palestine, tens of thousands took to the streets, chanting for justice and the sanctity of Al-Aqsa Masjid. But as the march approached Muridke, chaos unfolded. Clashes erupted between police and protesters. Tear gas, gunfire, and confusion filled the air. Reports soon spread that Allama Saad Hussain Rizvi had been shot and injured during the confrontation. Several officers and followers lost their lives that day. In the aftermath, terrorism-related cases were filed against him and many workers. Yet, his supporters called it a continuation of the same struggle, the price of standing firm for one's beliefs. Before I continue, I want to say I'll soon release a separate, detailed video explaining exactly what happened on the 9th and 10th of October 2025. Those were painful and powerful days for many of us, and they deserve their own time and attention. Inshallah, we'll talk about that in detail very soon. Through arrests, injuries, and countless challenges, Saad Hussain Rizvi remains unshaken. His followers see him in the reflection of his father, not just in voice or appearance, but in courage and conviction. His journey is far from over. It is a story written not in comfort, but in sacrifice. Whether you agree with his path or not, you cannot deny his influence. A leader whose entire existence revolves around one truth: the honor of the Prophet ﷺ stands above everything.